What's up everybody, this is Danny, and you won't believe where I'm at today. I'm at HGTV's Smart Home for 2018. I've partnered with them to give you a grand tour of all the cool tech that's in this house. Very forward-thinking, practical, smart solutions that I think you're really gonna like. And what's even more awesome is the fact that I'm gonna leave a link down below for you so you get a chance to enter to win this house. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. You're gonna love it. Wow, look at this house. This place looks incredible. Wow, love the color scheme, the wood floors, the open space. Shout out to the interior designer, you did a great job on this. This place is stunning. So let's start with my favorite room in the house, and that is the kitchen. And if you don't know, I'm a little bit of a cook, so I really like kitchens. When I walk into a home, it's one of the first things I look at. So I really love that there is a high-end gas stove here. You know, that's important if you're a cook, and you have the hood there. So I love this paired combo. There's a nice big island here. And one of the practical things that I was talking about earlier is that you can see this throughout the home. Practical applications. What I love is that there is a sink right here, but you don't get to skip out on the drawer because the drawer cuts around the sink, which is awesome. So you can put your towels here, whatever storage that you might like. And you can see that also in the cabinets. Most cabinets are flat here in the corner, but these have built-in storage right here, which is nice. So you can put extra food or whatever you want right here, and you can't even tell. So this is really practical. I love this feature. And you also have a cabinet door right here, but it's not just a cabinet door, it is actually a TV. You can turn it on from here, so you can watch TV if you want to. It's not on the refrigerator like you've seen before, so I love this. It's called Cabby TV. And this is also a microwave. One of the coolest microwaves that I've ever seen. It actually looks like a stove, which is nice. And you can open and close that with just a touch of a button. And what I like is there's adequate seating here. This is cool. So if you want a family cook or if you want to help people cook in the kitchen, this is also something very practical that you wouldn't expect to be here. This is a chopping block right here built in. So if you want to be a sous chef and helping somebody else, you can do that as a family. Plenty of seats here. You guys can cook together. So this is really cool. And if you need a little pick-me-up and you're a little tired, then there is a coffee machine built right in. So this is so flush and so clean. I love this because I'm a coffee lover. I would love this in my house. So I love that this is an open concept. This is all open, and this is the living room right here. And you can see that this is really framed out well. It's so open and airy. And up there, you have a piece of art. You know that's not a piece of art. That is the Frame TV by Samsung. So you guys are probably familiar with that. And you can display art if you want to and things like that. That matches with the decor perfectly. So I think that was a really good choice there. And what's awesome is all the AV equipment and Blu-ray and all that stuff is in that cabinet over there. But you can control all of that right here with the built-in iPad on the wall. So with this software, you can control everything smart that's in the house. So your lighting, your thermostat, all that stuff can be done and done through Alexa voice command. So that's really cool. So I think this is really practical for the house as well. There's multiple ones throughout the house, so this is nice. When you step out here into the outdoor area, if you're an outdoor area lover, you're going to really enjoy this one. It's really quiet out here. It's really peaceful. You can just sit down, you can read a book, you can just get away from everything, or you can get into some tech as well, because there is a built-in TV right behind this, which is awesome. So if somebody's watching something that you don't want to watch in there, you can watch it out here. And one of the coolest things that I've ever seen is that this is a phantom screen. So it looks like it's just a screen in porch, and you might be kind of confined to this. You're not. All you have to do is hit a button, and that opens completely. So if you feel like enjoying the backyard over here, which is a beautiful view, by the way, out here, you can do that. If you feel like getting some rest, you're gonna love what's in here. This is the master bedroom, and look at this place. It has that wow factor all throughout. The high ceilings, the beams, and my favorite part, the skylights. I mean, they bring so much natural light in here. Look at how bright it is in here. You have plenty of windows too. There's actually skylights in here and in the bathroom as well, master bathroom, which you'll see in just a little bit. But the coolest part is that you can control all of that right here, right through the app. I love that. When you want to get some exercise, you have a Peloton bike right here. This is really cool because this is a bike that you can watch right here on the screen and you can take classes live. So cool. I've always wanted one of these. All the beds in this house are Sleep Number. I actually own one myself, so I know exactly how comfortable they are. They have like dual zones here that you can control the firmness on both sides, temperature control, all kinds of stuff. So you're gonna get some great sleep. So the bathroom is also ridiculous. This is probably one of my favorite bathrooms that I've ever seen. So the mirrors, they are full screens. You can see right here, this is running Android actually. So this could be my dream that you're actually able to browse websites. You can see the weather, all that stuff, all built into a mirror. That's pretty crazy. And once you're getting ready, you know, the first thing I have to do is have a cup of coffee. So if I want coffee while I'm getting ready, you have a coffee machine right here in the bathroom. This is crazy, and I need this in my house ASAP. So one of the things that I haven't seen before in a bathroom is tintable glass. Actually, this goes over existing glass, and you can see right there, you can see through the glass, one touch. Now people can't see through the glass. That is so cool, and you can also control this with an app as well. So that's really neat for privacy. So when you go into this room, you know what happens. This is the bathroom, but the toilet area is pretty insane. Check out this toilet. It opens for you. This is so crazy. And this is all bipolar. And this, you hear this? It's playing music to me to make my bathroom experience even better. Also, you have this beautiful tub, so you can soak in that. This is awesome. I love these type of tubs, but the shower is incredible. I love this plaid tile on here. Yeah, this is tile. This is really, really cool. And look at that shower up there. That is insane. And you can actually control that from inside of the shower or outside the shower. Should we turn it on? Let's see. Wow, that is awesome. Look, and it actually looks like raindrops too. That is really cool. And let's stop it. And if that's not cool enough, when you go in the shower, there is an actual TV inside of the shower. There's more TVs in this bathroom than there's probably in my house. This is insane. This closet is really cool. You have built-ins on both sides, but that's not the best part. The best part is this shoe carousel. This is pretty insane. So I think this can appeal to everyone. I'm into sneakers. I could use this for my sneakers too. This is really, really cool. So I want this ASAP too. I gotta have everything in this house now. But another practical thing is that there is a laundry chute right here. So you can use your foot, bring the basket down, put your dirties in, and then this actually shoots over to the other side over here, which is the laundry room. So it goes directly to the laundry room. That is so awesome. But that's not it. Let me go upstairs and I'm gonna show you something really cool. This is probably the coolest thing here. This looks like just a regular bookshelf, but it's not. It's a hidden room, and it's a gaming VR room. This is awesome. This is one of the best applications I've ever seen of something like this in the home. You have your PlayStation VR right here, some controllers, PS4, Sony TV. I mean, you are all set, and you can get your gaming on right here with the lights. You can get that feel that you need with a Nano Leaf Aurora. I actually have one of these at home, and you can set this up to put whatever color that you want on the wall here, and it is really cool. So I love this gaming room. This is awesome. Then we finish off the house with two more beautiful rooms in here. The decorations are incredible. You still have that awesome toilet that's in there all throughout the house. And I love the decor in these rooms. They're so great. I love the paintings on the walls. They look so cool. And this is gonna be a perfect house for your family. I actually want this house so bad. I don't wanna leave it. I had to leave, they kicked me out, and I can't get back in because the whole house is secured by Simply Safe. I saw some new sensors in there. They even have a new keypad in there that blends up with the rest of the house, which is nice. So much better looking than their last one. That doesn't end there, because if you look inside the garage and let's say that you win this house, then there's also a brand new Mercedes in there too. So I want to win this house. So what do you guys think about HGTV's smart home for 2018? I loved it. I think it was very practical. They didn't just make a smart home just to make a smart home and just put a bunch of features in it. There were very practical features in there that I know that I would use, so I think people would enjoy it. So let me know which features were your favorite, because there's a ton of them there. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below. Make sure you check that link and enter to win. And I will see you guys in the next one.